anyway, I'm going truck camping. I'm trying to find a spot. So I don't know if I want to go here. This is like a 4-wheeler trail though. It's the other spot I was thinking, but it's right off the highway. You can hear people. So this is 4-wheeler trails. Oh, I hear geese. Where are they? Well, I wouldn't mind this, waking up to this. Or I can go to Airport Lake. That's just down the road. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go check the other spot. Let's see. Oh yeah, Red Bull. Got a little Red Bull here. Okay. I do like the view here though. It's nice. But we'll see. Okay, and this is the other spot. I could go here. The frogs and stuff sound nice. Frogs or crickets or whatever it is. I think I'm going to back up my truck and park it right here. That way I can look out at the lake. Yeah, so I'm going to camp here. So, the swimming beach. The road to get in is just right here. But you gotta go drive up it. It's kind of steep, but it's not that steep. I can get in here with my car. And then you can probably hear the highway. Watch, you'll see I can hear a truck, a transporter, a car or something driving by. See? Just off the highway. So yeah, I'm gonna back up my truck and park it. It's already getting cold though. Got all my stuff in there, but I didn't realize how high it was. Like it's up to my ribs. I'm gonna have to jump up. Oh, my knees. There. Ugh. I have to jump down after too. Alright, I gotta set up. Oh, there's a mushroom. Follow this path and it goes to an airport. Ouch. Stubbed my toe on a rock. My croc hit a rock. It's pretty loud though. Especially when those transports are going by. Fairly loud. That's okay. Some people's garbage. Hopefully it doesn't attract a bear or anything. So I was just enjoying the sunset earlier. It's pretty much gone now. I'm listening to the crickets. I was sitting here, see? Got this little cushion. There's my setup. I got a blanket. Wolf pelt. That's a real wolf pelt. It's the winter fur. It's nice and insulated and warm. Now I got a sleeping bag too if I need it, and a sweater and a hat. My little pillows in there. Then I got my little gaming setup, 2 pops. I got some food in my bag and cooking supplies. I can just probably slide my little table over here. And that little thing right there, that circle thing, that's just from a stool. But they were gonna. I got it from my work. They're gonna throw out the stool because the stool is broken. So I just took the top part because it's in the garbage. So yeah, instead of throwing it out, I'll use it. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be hanging out. I gotta be back early in the morning, so I'll probably have supper in the truck. Put some lights on after because I'm enjoying it out here. I'm gonna have to throw my garbage inside of the cab, so hopefully it doesn't smell. Because I don't want to have it in the truck bed in case there's a bear does decide to show up. I'll wake up, have breakfast, have coffee, and then head home, and I'll leave everything the way it is, and I'll clean up when I get home. Oh yeah, and look how I kind of have to get in. It's so funny because I'm short. Like, look how high it is. This is why I got it flat stuff. Like, look how high it is. It's like up to my waist. So I could jump, but I don't want to hurt my knees. I'm old now. Well, not old, but I'm fragile. So go again. Put my elbow there. Put my elbow. Oh! And that's how I get up. Oh. I sit on my little cushion. I sit cross-legged so I can look out at the view. On the sandflies. One already bit me. I should probably make my supper though before it gets too dark. I want to be able to somewhat see. Oh, I brought my lights and I forgot to change the batteries in some, but I do have extras. And I also have a flashlight and a headlamp in my truck and a little lantern, but that's in my cab. But that's for emergencies only. So I brought like my actual camping lights that I bring camping and for filming YouTube videos. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go on in there and chill on the bed for a few. That's the view right now. Super nice. Lots of bugs out there. No bugs in here though, which is nice. There's the odd one, but like one right there flying around. Just squish them. I'm already getting too comfy and tired. I was gonna eat, but I don't know. I feel so tired and lazy. I don't even want to. But I'm gonna. I will after. Probably play a bit of video games. Check out my little setup. Got the Jackery. Got some beats for to listen to music on my phone or my Switch. And then I got my Switch, my Pro Controller. This is like a Kindle holder or an iPad holder. It's called iPad pillow holder. You can find them on Amazon for like $70. So I'll probably play some video games. And then I have on my phone, I have like 100 gigs of data. So if I want to hotspot it, I can. If I want to play like Fortnite or something. But I have a bunch of games that don't use, data or Wi-Fi. You can play them offline. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, yeah. So peaceful. I'm enjoying it while it lasts, because in the morning I'll have to go back. What time is it right now anyway? 7:44. I'll probably eat soon. Probably around 8 or 9. I'll eat. Get ready to make supper. Cheesy chicken and broccoli. That's what I'm having. I got 10 ounces of water in there. So it says 10 and a half. I had it full. It was just over the 32 ounce, but oh, I guess I put 12. Oh well, that's okay. I'll just dump a little bit out. Sun's going down quick. I'll make sure there's no bears around. Alright. None on that side either. Especially while I'm eating. Oh, and here's like my coffee kit. It's got water, blueberry matcha, strawberry matcha, matcha, whatever. I say matcha. Then I got coffee grinds and a coffee press, a collapsible cup, a camp cup, Stanley, of course, a life straw in there. Just waiting to make my food. I got a snack in there too. Hang on. I'm just leaving my garbage there because I'm going to put it in the truck. Cookie bites. Peanut butter and chocolate chip cookie bites. I don't have to repack everything after anyway. Just ready for the water to boil. I guess I'll put the lid on. It'll boil faster. Oh, she's done already. Ow. I just killed that bug. Oh, wrong way. Now it's got to cool off. Oh no, don't tip over. Not all of it, but I'm just gonna zip it up and wait. It's ready to go. Oh, I'm trying to get my game going. I got 2 lights up there. And I got another light over there, so, or right there, that red thing, when I go outside. And I got bear spray, just in case. There's my light. There. Now you can see. There we go. Trying to play Fantasy Life. Game is automatically uploaded. There we go. There's my game. There's my chicken. It's actually not bad. I mean, I haven't tried it yet, but I had a different one before. And it was good. Let's see if I can put you right here. No, it's still pretty hot. I don't think I'll be able to eat all this. This is a lot. It says 2 portions in here. They'll like cool down a bit. And then I gotta dispose of my garbage before I go to bed. Because I can't sleep with food in here. Bears are trying to fatten up. In my town, there's a whole bunch of There's a whole bunch of bears trying to climb the trees. Let's see what I gotta do here. I gotta go this way. Just playing video games. Turn the volume down though so you can hear me. Go get ore from Niccolo. I gotta go see Niccolo. Where's Niccolo? This way. Clank, that's right. We're here to forge bronze ingot, whatever, for their initiation challenge, but the thing is, we need ore. Sure thing, boss. Check it out. There's my little guy. If I can hold you. Alright, youngin'. I've got some ore fresh out of the mines for ya. Obtain 3 Mysteria copper. He's in here. So I had to go in there. Hammerhead. There he is. Oh, welcome back. It looks like you got your hands on some quality ore there. For the next step, you'll need this recipe for making bronze ingots. How do you pronounce that? Ingots? Whatever. We got this, pal. Ingots. I'm just gonna say ingots. You got a bronze ingot. Forge bronze ingot. Okay, I gotta forge. I need two hands for this. I'll put you away. Or I'll put you right here. I'm waiting for my food to cool down. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. Playing video games. Make sure no bears are gonna eat me. I just ate supper. I had to grab a different light. That one there died. So all my flashlights. 2 of the rechargeable ones died. My 2 little mini lanterns that I was gonna hang up here, I forgot to put batteries in. That one was charged. I checked it before we left. Those 2 are charged. And then so I always bring extra. People always make fun of me. Oh, you bring too much light. Well, yeah. You need to be able to see, especially when look how pitch black it is out there. Like it's pitch black. Barely even see the ground. Can't even see the tree from here. Well, I can, but not on a camera. Oh, excuse me. Oh, yeah, I couldn't finish all that meal. It was way too much food. It says 2 portions, and I probably ate I almost ate half the bag, but it was pretty filling. Now I feel all sleepy, but I want to eat my cookies before I go to bed, so. And now I'm too lazy. I had turned off my video game, because after I ate, I was too lazy to keep playing, so. We'll see. I'm probably going to try and head to bed soon. And because I gotta be up early, and I don't want to drive. Like I don't like driving when I'm tired, because I don't know, it's just a shitty feeling, and I'd rather drive when I'm awake, 100% awake. And it's not very cold out. Like I like this. This is it's a baby blanket from Avery. And I have a thick sweater on, but that's it. Like I had to move this because my blankets and stuff, I kept touching the wall, so I just put this there. So it's a nice little barrier. The mosquitoes are starting to kind of find me in here. But, they're not super bad where I need to close the little window. I will before I go to bed, because I don't want nothing flying in here while I'm sleeping. So yeah, that's the update. Just finished supper. Oh, it's 8:49 already. See, in not even 2 hours, it's completely pitch black out there. I'm in my sleeping bag, but it's hard to sleep because the cars are so close, and I've slept in my car before, but oh, hang on, I'm getting a phone call. I think a little fox just ran by. Because I heard something in the bush on that side. And then I heard rocks on this side. And I heard something laughing on that side. Like, I think foxes make little laughing noises. Or maybe a bobcat. Or lynx. Just listening. Ultra Loft hollow fiber. Thermal rated to 10 degrees Celsius. And it's going down to 10 degrees Celsius. I got a sweater on, but my toes are kind of cold. And that's about it. Maybe I'll grab this little blanket right here and put it on my feet. That way my feet are warm. Because the rest of my body is warm. Let's see the temperature here. Just update, it's 14 degrees. My eyes are leaking. I'm tired. Alright, well, try to go back to bed again. I feel a little bit better. Knowing that it's just a fox out there. Rather it be a fox than anything else, so yeah. Ugh. Anyway, back to bed again. Or back to trying something. What time is it now anyway? 10:10. I've been trying to sleep for the last hour. My wolf. Oh, down my feet. I got cold. My feet got cold last night. So I put this over my feet, but it slid on the ground anyway, so it didn't help. So then I grabbed a little fur that was sitting right here on the side, and I just draped it over top my body, and it actually kept me nice and warm. 8 degrees. Oh, and I was like sleeping on my side last night, and I could cut the circulation off to my hand. My hand's warm, numb. Oh, I don't want to get up. I'm cozy. Oh, excuse me. If I don't wake up, I'm not gonna want to get up. My eyes are leaking every time we yawn. Oh, I don't want to get up. Well, I guess the sooner I get home, the sooner I get to go back to bed, so we'll see. What time is it? 1 minute. I don't want to get up. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Oh. God, it's so dark out there. I unlock myself. Oh. So early. Oh. Oh. Oh, I gotta turn the heat on. Whew, give me the high heat. Alright. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day today. And, get excited again. I'm going back home and I'm crawling right back into bed. Grab my puppy and going back to bed. That's what I'm doing.